Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to stay a true want or become a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox a picture of the video as well as the title, and if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, and I don't want you guys to miss out. So make sure after you hit that subscribe button and it turns gray, make sure to hit that bell. All right. Today is a crazy day. It is May the 2nd, and I've already uploaded my video for the Ipsy. So if you haven't seen that video, I do recommend that you check that out, because Ipsy has 24 hours where you get to add on products to your bags. And I filmed what was going to be in each one of my bags, including all of the add-on choices. So like I said, if you haven't seen that, I did film that earlier today. FabFitFun came live at 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, which is 9 a.m. for everybody in the West Coast. With that being said, I have never had trouble getting on a FabFitFun website like I did today. Literally, it had an FFF in the middle of the screen for at least 10 minutes. Then it would come on, then it would go off. Then finally I would get one customization done, and then another one wouldn't work. Finally, I was able to get my customization choices. I didn't choose any of the other options, but I want to show you what they are, because I just wanted to get exactly what they were supposed to give me in my box and get out. I checked about a half hour later after I was able to get everything done, and I was getting errors even on my checkout area saying, anyways, long story short, I checked and viewed my box, and one of the items on the bottom was saying that I chose something that I didn't choose. It said I wanted a mystery item. So I figured worst case scenario, that would be the worst case, and if that's what it's meant to be, it'll be that. I couldn't spend any more time on this. Now it's the middle of the afternoon, and I figured, you know what, I'm going to try to go in now. Maybe there's less traffic, and it looked like the site is up and working better. I was able to go into my fifth choice and customize it with the one that I wanted, and it stuck when I viewed my box. So I just want to go through with you what the customization choices are, and then what those second choices that you get in customization. This is not considered an add-on. This is amazing what they do. The prices are fantastic, that if you decide on more than one item that you want, you only have to pay for the additional item at a really discounted price. So I want to go through that with you guys. All right, so this is FabFitFun. This is the customization day. And I am a yearly, so I'm able to go in today, and then I have until the 5th to be able to make any changes if I change my mind. But this is what I've decided I'm going to do, and then I close my eyes to this, and I hope that everything arrives in great condition and we're able to unbox it on this channel for you guys to see. So with the yearly, you get a little bit of a discount, I think about $5 a box, plus you get 5 customization picks, where if you pay by seasonal, you only get 3 customization choices. So let's go through it together. All right, so my first customization choice, you're going to see here, these are the choices, and only after you pick the choice that you want, you will see the tick mark, and then all of a sudden you'll see these other little circles that come up that say, on this customization one, each additional choice would cost me $15, and if I would have chose them, you would have seen a tick mark on it. So for my choice, that's part of my $45 box. With everyone else, it's $49.99. That's what they advertise. That one is, I chose for myself the Dr. Brent Skincare Do Not Age Triple Peptide Eye Cream. The other choices, if I couldn't make up my mind that you're seeing here, I could have added to the box for $15. Also, what I've learned is this surprised me. Does not mean that they're going to choose something that's one of these options. The surprise me means that they will put a different item, completely not one of these choices, in their box that they will choose for us. Once you tick off what you want, you simply go to next. And when the system works, this is how simple it should be. Then it's customization 2. And for customization 2, it was also, if I selected more choices, the second choice would be cost me $15. And what I chose for myself in these options was the Michael Kors Bedford Travel Passport Wallet. The other choices were a Business and Pleasure cooler bag, Hydropeptide Moisture Reset Face Oil. There was a shampoo and conditioner by R&C Television, and then there was this Isaac Mizrahi blue and white kimono. So that was the second choice, and again, they give you that option with the Surprise Me. The next customization is customization 3. This one, if you select, the other options are only $10 each. So what I chose for myself on this one was Tom's Sydney glasses. And then the other options for everybody were the Kula Mineral Face Organic Matte Finish Sunscreen Lotion with SPF 30, the Giving Keys Mini Key Necklace, the Black 5-pack Hydrogel Eye Masks and a Peel-Off Mask Duo. Then from Kate Somerville, they have a Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream, and then the Dry Bar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler, where it's already saying on it that it is limited supply. And of course, again, they give you that option of Surprise Me. So now we're going to go to the next customization. So customization 4, what I chose for myself is the Terry Mary Aloe and Tea Tree Toner. And then the other options are Silk Satin Pillowcase, Zoya Ayla Roller, and Surprise Me. And for some reason, because this is later in the day, it's saying additional choices are no longer available for this question. When I was on earlier, these choices were $7 each. So I don't know why that's changed. Then customization 5. As you can see, a couple of the items look like they're faded out, and I don't understand that either because they still have that you can add it for $7. So I don't know if they're still having trouble with their site, but this was the one that I had some issues with. I ticked off where it says limited supply, the Omiko Brooklyn Bombshell Blowout Spray. And when I checked my box later, it told me that I chose Surprise Me. So if that would have been the scenario, that would have been fine too. So the other choices on this are Lifestyle Company Beach Mist, the Isaac Mizrahi Loves XO Sienna Vase, and a Grace Stella Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Serum. Then when I hit Submit, something happened that really surprised me. They have a new thing here that's called Boost Your Box, and it says Beta right beside it. It says they are from hydrating skincare products to essential safety items. We curated some incredible boost bundles to hopefully make staying at home more comfortable whenever or wherever you are, and available while supplies last. So 2 of the items are already sold out, and the only one left that's $19 is the Too Faced Replenish and Hydrating Bundle. I don't know what the prices were on the other ones because I couldn't even get to this screen earlier. And this is one of the items that sold out is from Grown Algechemist Hydrating Head to Toe Bundle. So I don't know if all these bundles were $20. I apologize for that. And then the other item that sold out looks like it was a couple of masks, and if I can see through here very lightly, it looks like it probably is, it looks like it's 3 masks and probably some like Purell type of product. And that was it. So then I simply hit finish, and it brings me here, and then from here I can view my box. And when I viewed my box, everything was fine. So I just wanted to do a really quick video so you guys can see. So now they're saying woohoo, customizations are saved. I have until Tuesday, May the 5th at just before midnight PST time to make any changes. I can check my box page to view that all the items that I selected were chosen, and then I still have time to shop any add-ons. They say they have over 300 plus products at up to 70% off. Don't miss out and treat yourself. So we get the availability to get these choices, the 5 choices, like I said, because I'm yearly. Everyone else in another week or so will be able to go in, and they'll be able to customize 3 of the choices. So hopefully everybody is able to get what they want or what they need, and then we will all watch hopefully and see what ends up coming in the box, and hopefully we love everything that we've received. So it's exciting that we have these things to look forward to during this time. But all I want to say to everybody is to stay home, stay safe. We're still where I live under the home lockdown. So if you are in a city or a state that is enabling you to either go back to work or at least go out a little bit more, hopefully you will stay safe and well, and I will see everybody in their next video. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I really hope that you will be part of my growth on the YouTube platform. It's really simple. It's that red button that's underneath. Like I said, if you press it and it turns gray, you're in. And if you're enjoying my content, please leave me a thumbs up. It helps me on the YouTube platform, and it helps other people who don't know me yet able to find my channel. All right, everyone, once again, stay safe, stay well, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.